What is up, guys? Alex here for another quick little video. Well, actually, we're gonna try to make this one a little bit longer, give a little bit more detail. I feel like the shorter videos I kind of not do much, so the progress has been crawling speed basically. So we're gonna try to do more detail, like I said, and we'll see how long this video comes out. So today we're gonna, as I've showed you before, the roof of the Mustang is kind of rusty. So we're gonna try to get rid of that right now and put some primer down so that doesn't happen again. So what we got is 80 grit for the initial. There we go. So 80 grit to be very rough on it, on the rust, and then we're gonna go 180. I couldn't find 120. My dad said 120 was a good medium, but we're gonna go 180 to smooth everything out, and then we're gonna hit it with Duplicolor automotive primer, sandable, so that rust doesn't come back. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm almost through with the first sheet of sandpaper. If you can see it, it's pretty torn up. Just the progress. It's looking a lot better. You can see a lot more blue than just rust. So we're doing good. I keep wiping it with a wet cloth. It's actually blue now. It's actually red naturally. Weird. So yeah, feels very smooth. It doesn't feel all grainy now. That's what you want. So I'm gonna hit it with the second sheet and we'll check back in. What is up, guys? It is actually day 2 of sanding the roof of the Mustang. Yesterday I had to stop kind of early because of it started raining, so that made it difficult to be out here. Let me show you the progress that's been done. It's honestly not as much as I wanted it to be, but you see. So we're about a little bit less than halfway. So right now I'm gonna do the edges because these are like the toughest ones to do. And then we'll go from there. Alright guys, it is pretty much day 4 technically, or day 3 of getting the rust out of the roof of the Mustang. It took a lot longer because I was doing it by hand, and shit, that was horrible. And 2 days it got rained out, you know, I couldn't work on it, I had to cover it again, and then, you know, remove a little bit of rust from the exposed metal, you know, and that killed even more time. I'm still pretty sore, but I started adding already primer and paint to the area, so check it out. This is what we have so far. It's pretty bad, I'm not gonna lie, but you know what, for it being my first time, I'm pretty okay with this. If you can, I don't know if you can tell a little bit in the reflection right there. It just looks very streaky, but you know, this won't rust, and that's the good thing. You know, that's the point. That was the goal, and we pretty much achieved it. And also, you know, because drift car, I didn't tape off the window or the sides, so those have some black in it, but that's alright because I'm going to eventually, like I said, make all this black right here, and the rest is gonna stay the blue. But yeah, I didn't film a lot of the priming part and painting part of it because, you know, that was just gonna be time lapsed anyway, so I'm not gonna bore you guys with any, you know, just me moving really quickly, doing the same thing over and over. So, but yeah, that's, you know, that's one less thing I have to worry about. Next thing, I'm probably gonna end up buying this. I found it for about 30 bucks. So I'm gonna end up buying that. My neighbor that owns that car right there, he's actually selling me the wheels off of it. He has a GT and he has 17s, so I might use those 17s at the front as the grip tires. Shit, stupid mosquitoes. So yeah, I might use those if he gives me a good deal, of course. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. I still have to start gutting the interior. I know that's like everyone's favorite episode ever. I'm gonna start doing that, and I'm gonna see if I can sell the rear seats, and you know, part of the interior as well, the other parts of the interior, since I'm not gonna use them, just so I can get some money to, you know, invest in this thing. But yeah, there's the car. You know, it's coming along, snail's pace, but it's, you know, it's better than it's been. It's making progress. We'll catch you guys next time. Just keep subscribing.